Schindler's, it does this on both sides, even if that door's not even open.
We're at the Elbert, 6th Avenue, here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I think this could be my first 5500 out there.
Installed 2016.
Okay, get a pic of this.
That's door open.
Your cat view. Man, this is awesome.
It's a smooth ride, tall elevator.
Smooth ride, tall elevator. You name it. You might want to go one more time.
I thought you were out of storage.
No, actually, I think it may have came back a little bit.
Yeah, sometimes it does that. I don't know how.
Ooh, I can feel the air conditioning.
We can get off here.
Yeah.
No.
One more. Go back down. Here's Patrick, TJ.
They have a Kona Eco Disc with the rectangle buttons at Bass Pro Shops in Harrisburg.
Oh, did they really? I never really noticed that.
It's glass.
I rode that with you about it.
Oh yeah, you did right before.
Oh, that would be.
Press the button so it rings. The button beeps.